Hi guys, today we are going to talk more about the TikTok application and we will show you how to find an option to change your phone number on TikTok. So let's go to this app. As you can see, we are on our profile page, and after we have to tap on the three lines icon at the bottom panel of my screen. Let's choose settings and privacy option. And let's pick on the first section, manage account. As you can see, we have an option, phone number. Later, we can choose another country by tapping on the arrow. For example, we will choose Austria. And after, let's tap on the phone number panel to add your number. As you can see, we have an option to send code to verify your phone number. After picking on this button, you will receive a special code from the TikTok you need to set in the app later. So if you found this option in your TikTok settings, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to find out even more cool tricks about and tutorials about TikTok application. Don't forget about likes, guys, and good luck. Bye bye.